Hello, everyone. Welcome to Educational Hub. Imagine creating a full PDF, Word document, Excel sheet, or even a PowerPoint in seconds without touching Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, or Microsoft PowerPoint. Sounds crazy, right? Well, Google Gemini just changed everything. Now you can generate documents, spreadsheets, slides, and even Markdown files with just one prompt. This is not the future. This is happening right now. Google Gemini has just leveled up in a big way. You can now create downloadable files like PDFs and Word documents, and even generate documents and spreadsheets directly inside Google Drive. At first, it might not sound revolutionary, but this update could actually be a glimpse into something much bigger that Google is building behind the scenes with Gemini. This feature is already rolling out to users. When you open Gemini, everything looks the same. No major visual changes. But here's the difference. You can simply type what you want, and Gemini will create it for you. For example, you could tell it to analyze a business idea and generate a complete report with proper headings and structured document. Within seconds, it generates a full report. You can preview it instantly using the built-in preview card, and if you want to edit or explore it further, just open it directly in Google Docs with a single click. If you want to edit the document, there's a Gemini panel at the bottom where you can request changes. Now, this feature isn't available to everyone. It depends on your plan or subscription. But if you do have access, you can simply type any instruction you want. For example, you might ask it to rewrite the title to make it more engaging and attention-grabbing. Gemini will instantly generate a revised version and highlight what it changed. From there, you can decide whether to apply the updates or keep the original version. For this next example, I've uploaded a Dubai Mall shopping receipt containing multiple purchase details, items, and billing information. Now I'm going to ask Gemini to organize everything into a structured Excel sheet. I want it to clearly break things down, including the store name, item purchased, quantity, price, total amount, and transaction details from the receipt. Once I send the prompt, Gemini processes the information instantly and builds a well-organized spreadsheet. You can then open it and download it directly as an Excel file. What's even more useful is that I also asked it to export the same data in CSV format, showing its flexibility across different file types. On top of that, it can also generate a Google Sheets version, which appears directly in my Drive. From there, I can preview it instantly or open it with one click. And just like before, Gemini doesn't stop at creating the file. I can also ask it to add formulas, sort the data, or improve the structure anytime I need. They also include a powerful feature called Canvas. If you select Create Canvas and ask it to build an interactive dashboard, it will automatically generate a visual interface based on your data. Instead of only showing raw information, it transforms everything into a more visual and interactive format, making it easier to understand patterns and insights at a glance. At any point, you can switch back to the original dataset by clicking the View Data option at the top. This allows you to move smoothly between a structured data view and a visual dashboard whenever you need. Now, going back to the Gemini chat, you can take things a step further by asking it to turn that same information into a presentation. Gemini will generate a full slide deck right inside the platform. Once it's ready, you can preview it. And if everything looks good, simply export it to Google Slides with one click. Just like that, your presentation opens up in Google Slides, fully formatted and ready to use. From there, you can edit anything you like. You can either ask Gemini to refine specific slides or use the built-in Enhance option to instantly improve the content. Keep in mind, some of these advanced features may vary depending on your Google AI subscription. I'll go back into Gemini and start a fresh chat. This time, I'll ask it to locate my Dubai expenses log stored in Google Sheets, and then generate a PDF report. In the prompt, I'll request it to analyze the data and produce a professional document that highlights Dubai rent, travel, and grocery expenses, showing where I spent the most money, how my expenses are distributed across categories, and identifying areas where I could reduce costs in the future. The report should also include clear visual charts and graphs to make the spending patterns easy to understand. In this case, it will retrieve data from my spreadsheet and automatically build a new report based on it. When I open the generated PDF, it clearly summarizes everything: total Dubai trip spending, category breakdowns such as rent, travel, and groceries, and detailed insights into where the money was spent most. It also includes visual elements like pie charts and bar graphs that make spending patterns easy to understand at a glance. On top of that, it highlights the most expensive areas of the trip and gives practical suggestions on how I could reduce costs in the future. And beyond PDFs, Gemini can also export the same analysis into other formats like Markdown files or structured reports, depending on what I need, making it flexible for different workflows and use cases. There are also several other file formats that Gemini is now capable of generating, and it can even produce multiple files in a single request. For example, here I asked it to create a batch of 20 different files, each in a different supported format, and each file containing one humorous joke. As you can see, it successfully generated all 20 outputs across various file types. Any of these can be opened individually to view the content. For instance, one file includes the joke, "Why are ghosts such bad liars?" Because they're easy to see through. Now, while this is impressive, it's not completely flawless. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.